Johannesburg, often referred to as Joburg or Joburg, is a dynamic and cosmopolitan city that serves as the commercial and cultural heart of South Africa. Known for its rich history, urban vibrancy, and diverse offerings, Johannesburg is a destination that invites travelers to explore its unique blend of heritage, arts, and modern developments. The Apartheid Museum stands as a poignant tribute to South Africa's journey from apartheid to democracy. Through immersive exhibits, multimedia displays, and personal accounts, the museum offers a comprehensive understanding of the country's complex history and the triumph of reconciliation. The Mabening Precinct, a vibrant urban renewal project, showcases Johannesburg's contemporary art scene and creative spirit. With its galleries, boutiques, cafes, and street art, this cultural hub offers a glimpse into the city's thriving artistic landscape. The Cradle of Humankind, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is located near Johannesburg and offers a glimpse into humanity's origins. The Sterkfontein Caves, part of this site, have yielded significant archaeological finds, including early hominid fossils. Soweto, an iconic township, holds historical significance as a hub of resistance during the apartheid era. Visitors can explore landmarks like Vilakazi Street, the only street in the world where two Nobel Prize winners, Nelson Mandela and Desmond Tutu, lived. The Hector Peterson Memorial and Museum honors the students who protested against the use of Afrikaans as the language of instruction in schools. Johannesburg's culinary scene reflects its multicultural population. The Neighborgoods Market at the One Fox Precinct is a bustling food market where visitors can savor international and local dishes while enjoying live music and a vibrant atmosphere. The Walter Sisulu National Botanical Garden offers a tranquil escape from the city's hustle and bustle, with lush landscapes, birdlife, and hiking trails. The Johannesburg Zoo, one of the oldest in the world, showcases a diverse collection of animals and offers educational experiences for all ages. For shopping enthusiasts, Sandton City Mall and the nearby Nelson Mandela Square offer a mix of luxury brands, boutiques, and entertainment options. Sandton's towering skyline also hosts the iconic Nelson Mandela Square statue. The Market Theatre, a historic institution, is a renowned cultural venue that hosts theatre productions, live music, and art exhibitions. It played a pivotal role in the anti-apartheid struggle and remains a hub of artistic expression. In essence, Johannesburg is a city of contrasts and resilience, where historical landmarks coexist with contemporary developments and creative expressions. Whether it's exploring museums and historical sites, engaging with local communities, immersing in arts and culture, or simply enjoying the city's diverse offerings, Johannesburg invites travelers to embark on a journey that captures the essence of South Africa's spirit of transformation and progress.